Today, a group staged a protest outside the Guyana Court of Appeal. The group, Citizens Movement, is objecting to the refusal by President Irfaan Ali to confirm Justice Janet Cummings and Justice Roxanne as Chancellor and Chief Justice. The two women have been active in the positions for 7 years. The last confirmed Chancellor was the late Justice Desiree Bernard. It hasn't escaped notice that the two women are black. Head of the movement, Adriana said that the widely held view that after 7 years, the woman should be confirmed.
As professional women can be swept away out of their professions possibly, or not be promoted with no satisfactory reason. And so we're demanding greater respect for professional women.
She said that without doubt, the two women are distinguished jurists.
It's difficult to accept that they're not fit and proper to be confirmed in their substantive positions.
One contention was the coalition didn't confirm the two women. The reality was that the opposition leader Bara Jagdeo didn't agree to their confirmation then. Member of Parliament Annette Ferguson was among those in the picket line.
Government of the day has failed to do what is required of them in accordance to the Constitution of the Cooperative Republic of Guyana. But mind you, even before 2015, the nation must be reminded that you had Chief Justice Ian Chang and Chancellor Carl Singh, who were acting in those very positions for years. You would recall Mr. Joseph Harmon did signal his support to have these women, Chancellor Cummings and Justice George, to be appointed in their substantive positions. You had a change in the leadership of the opposition, and Mr. Aubrey Norton, the current leader of the opposition, is on record saying that, well, look, he is in full support.
She said that even before the women acceded to the current offices, they have been serving the country with distinction. Both Justice Cummings and Justice George had served as Director of Public Prosecutions.
Collectively in the National Assembly, we are on record. We are on record saying to the government in the National Assembly that it is time for these women to be appointed. Just a couple of days ago, I have written a letter to the editor calling for the appointments of these women.
Another member of Parliament, Amanzo Walton Desir, said that she isn't certain that the government understands the seriousness of the situation.
In the midst of an obvious breakdown of the police force, Irfaan Ali hastened to confirm the appointment of Police Commissioner Hickey, even though he's past the age, and some other top brass of the police force. Now, what is the excuse then for not appointing two clearly very competent women?
She described a recent statement by President Irfaan Ali that the appointment of a Chancellor and a Chief Justice should take the Judiciary to a place that one would be proud of.
Fans saying that these two women are not capable of taking our judiciary to a place that we could be proud of. What complicates this matter more is that arguably the Chief Justice has ruled in favor of the government in more instances than not.
She said that when one looks at every aspect of the situation, no one can be faulted for concluding that the non-confirmation is because the two women are black.
Because you can't accuse them of incompetence. You can't accuse them of corruption. And like I said, in fact, they've ruled for you more times than not. So what then is the problem? This situation highlights, and I know that got, people from the police and national security and so on filming and recording, so I hope they hear this very loud and clear. This situation, and I am here, let me make this very clear, in my capacity as a professional woman, as an Afro-Guyanese woman, because I have a difficulty with the message this situation is sending, and that is that it does not matter how competent or how qualified you are as a black woman in this country, that unless you are willing to be seen as kissing some ring somewhere, your appointment to your substantive position is jeopardized.